My fellow young leaders of CARICOM, as I assume the chairmanship of the Caribbean community from July to December this year, I want to extend a special message to you, the heartbeat of our region and the architects of our future. With young people comprising nearly 60% of our population, your voices are not just essential, they are transformative. You're not merely passengers on this journey, but active co-pilots driving the change we need for a more prosperous, secure, and sustainable Caribbean. Our chairmanship will place special emphasis on investing in our most valuable assets, our people. This means creating pathways for your ideas to flourish, your skills to thrive, and your dreams to become realities. From entrepreneurships and digital innovation to green technology and the creative industries, you have the power to redefine the Caribbean's place in the world. The CARICOM Youth Ambassadors Program remains a vital platform for your collective voice. But I want to go further. I want you to see yourselves not just as beneficiaries, but as active co-creators of regional progress. Whether in politics, economics, agriculture, climate action, or digital transformation, your contributions are essential. In this era of rapid technological change, your digital fluency and creative energy are crucial. As CARICOM advances its regional digital development strategy, your voices will shape how we harness technologies like artificial intelligence, blockchain, and renewable energy to build resilient economies and smart, connected communities. You are the innovators who will create new industries, the entrepreneurs who will redefine our economies, and the leaders who will advocate for climate justice and sustainability. I urge you to remain bold, confident, and visionary. Let us work together to create a region where your ideas are valued, your contributions are celebrated, and your futures are secured. We will not just listen to your voices, we will act on your ideas. Let us build a more resilient, inclusive, and prosperous CARICOM for all, and shape the future of our region together. Thank you, and may you continue to rise as the next generation of Caribbean leaders.